Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add border around the image. It's really simple. In this case we will use Photoshop version 5. Right click on the image, go and open it with Photoshop. We will wait a little bit and it show up. What you need to do now, 2 times tick this here and hit OK. What you need to do now is right click and go to the blending options, select stroke and go inside. Here what you need to select is again inside, and you need to increase the size of the border. It's already here. Now you can change the colors, red one, green one, whatever you want, and that's that.